The X2W boys are back. This is episode 4, episode 3 of the actual games. I'm probably going to get that mixed up along the way. But yeah, I'm Seth.
And I'm Brayden.
And yeah, got back-to-back home games. We actually have 3 home games in a row. But the third one, the third one is in another episode. First, we host the Cowboys, then the Denver Broncos. So
Not trying to interject with your series, but I'm gonna be starting a series of my own, aka Stray. I know it's been out for like 3 years, but like haven't played it, and I feel like it'd be a cool game to get. So yeah, just look out for that. Enough from me now. Back to you.
Okay. 3rd and 1. Cowboys 44. And boy. Going long to CeeDee Lamb in Dallas. Double covered. Wait, honestly though, 61-yarder.
So look at this. Here's the field goal unit coming out, and he is going to need to bomb this one.
Brandon Aubrey.
And this will split the
It's a Dallas penalty.
But now there is a penalty marker on the field, so let's see what this is about.
Wait, it went in? Did that go in?
So the
Wait, guys, comment down below if that went in.
first quarter of action, but we have the offense in the red zone as they've got it here first.
I mean, it obviously went in. If I declined a penalty, we got 3 points. But I personally didn't see that go in. 1st and goal from the 2-yard line.
A terrific opening drive has them knocking on the door. First
Brayden, I asked you this last video. What do you think about your offense?
Like I said last time, you're the best in the nation.
Because we fumble. Josh Allen, he's also gonna hit the gritty. It's time to gritty.
Bro.
After one,
It's time to gritty. Good Brian Shoddy.
That was honestly a W chest in Clash Royale, dude. I unlocked Magic Archer from it.
As they've got it with a 3rd down coming up.
It's good to know.
Well, yeah, guys, if y'all would like to join our Clash Royale clan, we are the Goofy Goobers.
Join up. Evo punt, Brian Avery?
Play keep away from the returner as this one will be.
I'm trying to get Evo Valkyrie, because honestly, Evo Valkyrie is kind of...
I'm gonna
It's a good card.
Oh my god, Pickens hung on.
When in doubt, call Dark Goggins.
Whew. Play before the 2-minute warning. We're gonna hand it off to Breece Hall. We're gonna reverse the field. Okay, that was like trust.
Second quarter action with 1:59.
That probably doesn't help Breece Hall.
The first down play to be
I want
frank,
Breece Hall to be a
nothing
top
short
5
of awful, and now
like
they have to deal with
statistic
second and
running back.
very long.
Like, statistically a top 5 running back. And we're gonna get half of those yards back.
Cowboys going to burn the first of their timeouts.
Okay, 3rd and 15.
We step aside.
We got John Mechie too.
Now on 3rd and long, they'll look to
Chonchana?
And Allen is gonna overthrow it, which technically I overthrew it because I did try to lead him to the right. Beautiful punt. from
Here's Stout to
Carson
punt
Stout,
as he
I
puts this
believe.
one away. It's taken on the 25.
Brr.
Just a 2-yard return for the fall.
Let's go, defense. Oh, did we get a pick? Pixicle? Not a popsicle, a pixicle. Okay, so we have Abdul and Jalen Carter on the right side of the D-line. Neither are going to make it through. And I tried to pop Pickens with Porter. Holy tongue twister. Pop Pickens with Porter. But it did not work. Well, this is the game-winning drive right here. That was to the crib. If there was just a slightly bigger hole. Okay. We are fine.
Oh my. Look at all that open field.
Josh Allen. Not the fastest. Definitely not the slowest. Here we go. As Dak Prescott.
Yeah, here we go.
And it's going to be Jadeveon Clowney. I know too much about him. He's on my favorite team. Don't flame me in the comments, please.
What?
I said Jadeveon Clowney. I know too much of him because he's on my favorite team. Yes, I like the Dallas Cowboys. Don't flame me. That's what I said. That was like a whole summary, like in quotation.
He doesn't drop too many in that department. Third down.
Yeah, I know he don't drop too many of those.
He'll try and do this himself. And he'll just toss it away. So he throws it away, and that brings up fourth down.
Partner, they've got one chance left to keep this one going, and I think for you and me, let's think along with their offensive coordinator now. Has to think back, cycle through every play of this contest, and remember
this could be the end of the game.
Has it. Because right here, he needs the best play of the game in order to keep this one alive.
Now in desperation,
CeeDee Lamb dropped it. He dropped the game-saving. Okay. I ain't trying to lose our first game against technically our worst opponent yet.
With such little time remaining, and Dallas, they'll take over in terrific.
Oh my God, that could have been an interception. No! Brayden, how are you liking this team now?
Read them.
Malachi starts as the rookie. A game-saving play. Dude, I kind of knew that was going to happen. Like, I knew as soon as bro got up, he was cooked. Like, bro should have just stayed down. Stay down, baby. John Mechie. I know you're unstatic, bro. Alright. Brees Hall, this is your time to shine. Like I lied. So you're cooked. Maybe I can hit Lamb on a zig. Or Jamar Chase. That is what I'm sure the head coach Brayden will likes to see.
Here's 1st and 10 now.
That's the crap I'm gonna like.
Josh Allen couldn't quite get away from Clowney. Even though Clowney's probably in his like 60s by now. I'm only dissing because in this rebuild the Cowboys are my enemies. But he still caught up. And that could be the game. The clock is running down indeed. But it don't matter. The pressure is non-existent. Josh Allen is gonna seal this one up.
That drive was perfect, methodical, executed so well, and they grabbed that much no time left for a last gasp from the other side.
No way you could have drawn up a better final drive, because not only did they keep their eyes on the end
Sorry to
zone,
do it to
they made
you,
sure they bled the
but I
clock
had
out
to
as
do it to
well
you, Dallas.
and denied their opponent a chance to respond. That's just terrific situational football to end this one.
So after the touchdown,
And that is a statement drive right there. Last play of the game. Found a hole there. Found a hole, just couldn't outrun him. And the Jets, under Brayden Willis's wing, are 5-0. Let me just check real quick. That is going to be just kind of somewhat embarrassing if it's actually not on All-Pro. I'm pretty sure it's on All-Pro, but if it's not, yeah, it's on All-Pro. Second highest difficulty. And really, I mean, we've had the ball pretty much every time the game has come down to if we score or not. It really hasn't been on our defense to clutch. Which, even if it was, that's all me. Or actually, that's not all me. My bad, Brayden. That's all you.
That's all me.
Yeah, guys, don't tell Brayden, but that's not all him.
Excuse me?
Huh?
I heard that.
What?
Don't try to act all innocent now. I know where you live.
Whoa, bro, I know where you live. And the New York Jets.
MVP.
5-0, and they're hosting the Denver Broncos. Yeah. Here we go.
Now Nick's on third down. Complete beyond the marker. And they can't
Not expecting the cut in the middle.
into that
But
red
it
zone
happened.
At the 19. Coming to the line for another 1st and 10. Working inside the red zone. Hits him on the out route. And he goes out approaching that 10-yard line. Offensive line. This is 2nd and 4.
Fucking Sway
Makes the
Singer.
throw again.
Whoa.
And he doesn't slide down to get pace for it. A big shot sends him to the ground.
3rd and 2.
2 yards to go here on 3rd down on what will be the
Jalen
9th play of
Carter.
this impressive drive. Here he is on 3rd and short.
Woo. That could have been a sack with multiple people. But hey, we clutched it. It would have been a field goal anyway.
High percentage look for him here from the left hash. The kick by Lutz is good. And they're able to get
And the field goal is good. And they're bringing me in.
They'll go right side with Hall.
Dang. Oh, nice broken
And it's
tackle.
another 1st down on this drive. Man, this time they're in the 1st and goal. The shotgun, it's Allen.
Woo!
If you've heard me
Got
say
down
it
at the
once, you've
2.
heard me say it 100 times. Completions. Well, that wasn't a
Come on,
pass, it was a
Brees, punch
scramble.
this in.
But the Nets, the same thing, keeping this offense on schedule.
Dang, they put Sertain on Lamb instead of Chase.
So the run goes backwards. What do you think, Brock? Is it time that they start getting a little more aggressive, take some more risks offensively?
Not in my book. You've not earned that right. Right? I think a lot of play callers feel that same way, too. I mean, you get to earn the right.
It's going to be CD Lamb. And the defense clutches up.
Throwing now on 1st down, Allen.
It's going to be intentional
He's
damage.
still gonna draw the flag.
Whoopsie. Kind of thought I was going to get sacked by Zach Allen.
No one in the area. He was still in the pocket. Seems like a pretty cut and dry intentional
But,
grounding to me.
yeah,
Seems
no.
like you want to be an official someday, Kate.
Maybe.
Yeah, because you never
Oh, George Kittles couldn't
Decent
outrun
game
him.
here, but short of the
Hey,
first.
stop the clock for us,
We have a
why don't
timeout
you?
called by the Broncos. That's their
Thank you,
first.
thank you, thank you.
Allen on third down.
Dang, and he fumbled. You're going to let them score.
Won't manage anything after the recovery.
Yeah. Well, Brayden, that was not good. Is that why we're the best team in the league?
Knicks from the gun.
No, we're the best in the nation. Not just the
my
league,
God.
the whole nation.
I just missed the pick by a couple centimeters. Yo, bro, put me in the game. Put me in the game, coach. I got
This drive in jeopardy. Here's a 3rd and 10.
it, bro. Their season's in jeopardy.
Air it
Gotta
out on
have
third.
a 500 record.
That one doesn't find
It's Joey
its way.
Porter
Incomplete.
making up for the giving up touchdown. And we just gotta clamp up. We just gotta clamp up. I believe that we will clamp up.
On first down, it's Knicks. Has him on the quick hitter.
Dang!
He's taken down.
As you
He
can
takes this to
see,
the 38.
and I
They
never
strike for
proclaim
23 yards.
I'm not the
That'll be good
greatest
for a
of
Denver
players.
first.
That's why I play on the D line in the first place. I'm just nowhere near good enough to play corner. I would,
Knicks with it on first.
like, I'd probably get cooked by a rookie
And he's
difficulty
tackled after gaining a handful.
if I played
We reached
corner.
the 2-minute warning from London.
Are they gonna try to get a
Broncos
game-winning
losing by
touchdown?
4.
Hey, you
Like,
these
nah,
results
that's
in
not
first. That
allowed,
completion
actually.
Right there, right in the window where all
Only
options are
we're
available
allowed
to
for
you on
game
second
winning.
down. That playbook is wide open.
He'll look to throw it.
Yes, he's short.
Pass brought in. This is down
Whoa.
to the 28 before the defense halts it.
Nah. Ah.
Here we go, 1st and 10.
Boy.
Here he is to throw.
Yes. That is way out of field goal range.
The Jets take their first time out.
I mean, hey, they have to score a touchdown, so there's really no problem with me taking a timeout. Because, heck, if they get a first down, it might as well just be a touchdown.
Setting up to pass. Finds the in route complete. And he gets
Like,
down
now
to
I'll let the
24
clock
before
run
he
now.
stops.
Because
Broncos
they're going to
have
know
to
huddle.
hurry here. Clock's still running. Here he is to throw. That one finds his
Man, he's going to stay on his feet.
And he is well clear of that marker. That effort's going to set them up with a first
Well,
and goal.
oh no.
They'll run here.
They're going to run it. You need a touchdown, bud.
Closer to the end zone, down to the 6.
What are they doing? They're not getting in the end zone on a run play. I'm telling you that right now.
Back to throw. That one connects. And he will.
And they are in the end zone. Take your field goal. Well, Brayden, you became the head coach of this team for a reason.
Wangu now to return. Good work so far. He's got room.
Let's see what they can do.
Some nice bursts on that run back, didn't he? Getting them all the way out to their own 40.
Let's see if this decision to bring Josh Allen, Jamar Chase, and CD Lamb to the squad pays off.
Look at this. He's gotten the job done on the ground as well. Second among NFL quarterbacks in rushing yards. And he gets through for a 7-yard gain. The tackle made at the 47. Looking from the gun, it's Allen.
Jamar
42
Chase!
before going down. And that one goes for a gain of 11. And it'll give the Jets a first down. Rushing up to the line. They need a little bit more to get into field goal range.
Go, get set.
first down. Allen. Right back to Chase. And he's short of the first after a mild gain. And 4 seconds remaining. They're going to take a
Brandon
timeout.
Aubrey.
So a big kick coming up for Brayden.
And he's gonna ice me.
And 4 seconds
No.
remaining. They're going to take a timeout.
Oh no. Brayden, how do you feel coming into this season about Brandon Aubrey?
I mean, he hasn't had to make this clutch of a play before, but I feel like he's got this.
He does. This game's
52-yarder.
This game's
The
going
former
over.
soccer star Brandon Aubrey on now to attempt a field goal. This a 52-yard attempt from the left.
It's
hand.
good.
And it's
Yes.
Oh, I thought
Look
that
at-
doinked. I couldn't see the ball. I thought it doinked off, and I was like, are we being for real right now?
in store for all those fans in the stands. We're
Bang,
headed for overtime.
bang, bang.
Dang, bro.
Starting this year, we've got some new rules in place for overtime, Brock. Both teams now guaranteed a chance to possess the football in overtime of
All right,
any
let's
game,
end this thing.
not just the playoffs. So an opening drive touchdown, no longer an instant
Come on,
game winner.
Jets win the
Gotta be able
toss.
to make a stop too.
No, I don't want the Broncos to win. Oh, so is it where if they score, it's over?
No.
No, so why would they want to get the ball?
I don't know. I don't think it is, because the commentators were just saying how,
It's a new look to
like,
NFL
if you immediately
overtime.
score, it
Let's see how
doesn't
this
count as an
plays out.
automatic
It's gonna
win
get
now.
underway with some bonus football. This
So the
return
Broncos
starts
are
at the
just
5.
done.
And this drive will start inside the
Pretty much what I'm
25.
saying is they sold their own bag.
Denver set to take the field on offense. And they
Yes,
fought
sir.
hard not just against their opponents out on the field, Brock, but the tens of thousands of opponents here in these stands. No chance to be the first ones to answer the bell and take the early lead here in overtime. And it's not just some quarterbacks, Brock, you already got to have short memories. You tell me this too, defenses need them sometime as well.
Yeah, 100%. You give up a big run, well, too bad. No time to dwell on it because you got to line up, buckle up that chin strap, and try to knock them backwards.
And they will finally catch up to him in just a second before he can reach that 40. New set of downs for him at the 38.
Oh, either way, I don't want to give up a touchdown.
Throwing on first down, Nix.
Because why would you want?
No,
Okay,
and
fine.
he'll be brought down a step or two shy of midfield. They're going to mark him at the 48. Chance to take the lead and set themselves up for a win. Gotta make this count as they come up on second down. Shotgun snap to Nix. It's his running back. And he fights
You
his
better
way
get
down
out of
to the
bounds.
35 before the defense can
You
get
better
him out.
run.
First down, ball at the 36. Throwing again. Here's Nix.
Yeah. He got hit on the throw.
It's inside the 10.
Is that the game?
It's in. Touchdown, Denver. The Broncos break the tie and go up by 6.
No, it's not, because if that was the game, it would have already ended, and they wouldn't be going for the kick.
The extra point is good.
Oh,
And that's a big one.
my.
Now their defense just has to defend a 7-point lead
Well.
here in overtime.
Let's
If
go
we
be
score
great.
here, that pretty much, if we score here, that means we tie the game.
But starting this year, their opponents get to respond.
Let's go be great,
as we are
boys.
back underway. Decent run back is going to end as they bring him down inside the 30. The Jets out to begin another drive.
Let's
And
go
they'll have a
be
little
great.
momentum as they take the field here after their kicker drilled a deep one to end their last drive with points. Flush down out to his left.
Okay, I'm
Down the sideline.
okay.
They've got to him just a step or two before he can reach the 40.
Didn't know he
Set
had
out
that kind of dime in his
about
bag.
29 yards on first down.
Told you
Don't know
that's
why
all
I-
me.
Set it down.
Don't know why
On
he
its
didn't.
way.
I don't know why I didn't think he had that throw in his bag.
Allen now on first
I
down.
mean, that was a little Mahomey. And this might be a
No, that was a
little
little,
tight.
little Josh Allen-y.
And he won't be able to take it
That was almost a little tight.
out of bounds just shy of that 10-yard line. And that one goes for 31 yards and a first down when all is said and done. All right, partner, well, I know they're not going to look ahead down there just yet, but let's you and I do that. In the red zone, they need the touchdown first time.
CD
Well, now we
Lamb.
have a decision to make. Do we go for the win, or we did just go for the tie?
C.D. Lamb with the touchdown. His third through the air this
Brayden
game.
Willis is an offensive guru.
So they punch it in for 6.
I think he would like to end this game on offense.
This one just has the feel, doesn't it? The makings of a
We go for it all.
fourth quarter that could go either way.
Oh! Allen!
They don't get the 2 points. So it's a
I
win
threw
for the
that to
Broncos.
CD Lamb.
And their trip across the pond, a
I couldn't tell.
because they claim the victory over here in London.
I think I may have pressed the wrong button. Not gonna lie. Because I know what button I pressed. I think he was circle and I pressed X. I know I pressed X. Lamb was open, and that was probably my mistake. We were great on that last drive. I mean, it took about 5 plays to get in the end zone, and I sold. I mean, your undefeated season could be ruined by a wrong press of a button. And I believe that's what happened. But hey, you can't be perfect. You win some, you lose some. But to win games, you gotta win the game. And we didn't win the game. I didn't win the game. I lost us the game. But, like I said, you can't be perfect. Perfect season is very rare. Especially since it's 17 games now that you gotta win. But hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Road to 70 subs. You always know that was all Brayden. Hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.